how to create an account on Fantasy Premier League. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, install the FPL app and then open it. And now here, you'll need to tap on Join My Premier League, and you can either choose to log in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or even the X app. So I'm going to choose Google. Now you'll need to put in your first name, last name, your date of birth, your gender, country of residence, nationality, and your phone number. However, phone number is optional. Now go ahead and tap on create an account. And there you go, your account has been successfully created. You just have to hit continue to sign on. It's as simple as that to create a FPL account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.